Hello friends, welcome to the BricsCAD tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from DesignSense. Today in this part we are going to learn about how we can activate and deactivate the BricsCAD license. Also we are going to learn about how we can revoke the license, and also if you want to learn about how we can install the BricsCAD software step by step, then I will provide that video link in the description. So now I am going to open the BricsCAD software. Here you can see our license has ended, so we are going to activate it again. For activate the license, we need to click on the activate license button. So now you can see our license manager window is open, and here we need to select this option license key, and here we need to paste the license key which we get on the our registered email ID. Also we can copy the license key from our user account on the bricscad.com, and also if you have the license file, then you can activate it manually from here. So now I am going to open the my license manager page on the bricscad.com. Here we need to click on the edit button, and here you can see the license detail. So I am going to copy this license key from here. Also if you go down, you can see in the activation history there is no activation for this license key because we didn't apply this license key in any system. So now I am going to activate this license key. Here I need to paste this license key. If there is space, then you need to remove this space. So now I am going to click on the OK. So now you can see our license is successfully activated, and here is the important message. When we activate our license, it will log with our hard drive. After then, if we want to reinstall the BricsCAD software and reinstall the window, upgrade the window, or if we want to change the system, then first of all we need to deactivate the BricsCAD license from the BricsCAD software. Otherwise you will face the issue with the reactivating the license. So I am going to click on the I understand. Now I am going to close it, and here in the activation history there is no activation for this license. We just need to refresh the page. Now you can see this license has been activated. Also you can see these details: activation date, activated on, and here is the show detail option. If we click on it, then we can see the host ID and login details, in which window and user we activate this license. Okay, and here is the option for download the license file for the offline activation, and here is the option for the revoke activation. So this option we will discuss later. Now I am going to minimize this window, and here I am going to again open this BricsCAD software. So now you can see our license is successfully activated. I am going to click on the 2D drafting, and here I am going to open the new drawing. So this is the process of the activation of the license key. Now I am going to show you how we can deactivate the license key, which is very simple. For deactivate the license key, we need to type the license manager command, and here we need to go to the manage license, and here you can see the license detail. So now if we want to deactivate the license, we need to click on the deactivate key, and here it will show the some details. And now I am going to click on the yes. Now you can see our license is successfully deactivated. So now we can use this license again in any system. So now I am going to close it, and now close this window and click on the no. Now I am going to again open the BricsCAD software, and here you can see our license is successfully deactivated. And on the license manager page we have this detail, but after refreshing it, this detail will be removed, and there is message there are no activation for this license key. So now our license is back to the server. Now we can again use this license in any system. So I am going to copy it, right click, copy, and now I am again going to activate this license from here and click on the OK. Now our license is successfully activated. Sometime during the activation you may face some error. For those error solution, you just need to turn off the firewall. Also you need to turn off the antivirus. After then you need to retry the activation of the license. So after doing these steps, your problem may be resolved. So now I am going to click on the I understand, and here I am going to close this software, again open it. Now our BricsCAD software is successfully activated, and here if you refresh this page, and there you will see this message again: this license has been activated. And here is our last option, which is the revoke activation. Revoke activation is the option we need to use on the last situation. If we have the access for the BricsCAD software for deactivate the license from the license manager, then we must need to use that option. Otherwise, if by chance our software is crashed, if you don't have access for deactivate the license key from the BricsCAD software, then we can use this option, but there is the limit. We can use it only for 2 times. After then you need to raise this support request on our email ID, and that option also for the limited time. So before using it, please try the deactivate the license from the BricsCAD software. So if we don't have any option for deactivate it, then we can use this revoke activation. This will also deactivate the license directly from here. So I am going to click on this option, and here you can see we have the message, this is the last time you may revoke an activation for this license. I already revoked this license and this is my second time, so that's why this is showing this message. And also there you will see the message, please try first to deactivate your license in the BricsCAD. Revoking an activation should be done as a last resort only if deactivation in the BricsCAD failure. So here we need to provide the reason. For example, I am going to give here window crashed, and after then we need to click on the revoke activation. So now after refreshing the page, you can see our license is successfully deactivated from here and we can reuse it again. So now I am going to copy it and minimize this window, and after the reinstalling the software you can reuse this license again. Now I am going to open this software, and here we need to go to the activate license. Now I am going to paste it and click on the OK. So now you can see our license is successfully activated again. So I am going to click on the I understand and now close it, and now again open it. So like this we can activate the license, deactivate the license and revoke the license. Revoke is always last option. Okay friends, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos and share it with your colleagues. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.